In today's video, I will walk you through how to create Spotify Blend. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once Spotify is open, look at the left sidebar and click the search icon, which is usually shown as a magnifying glass. In the search bar at the top, type Blend. Spotify will show a special suggestion for Blend. Select that suggestion to continue. This will take you to Spotify's Blend section. Here, you'll see the option to start a new blend. Click Create a Blend to begin. Spotify will now set up the blend, but the playlist will not be created until another person joins. Next, click Invite to get a shareable link. On the desktop app, clicking Invite will usually copy a unique link to your clipboard automatically. Paste this link into a message or email, or send it anywhere you communicate with the friend you want to invite. If you accidentally close the invitation prompt, click Invite again to get the link. Now, send a link to your friend. Once they receive it, they need to open the link and select Join. After they join, Spotify will create the Blend playlist for both of you. Spotify will then generate a shared playlist based on both of your recent listening habits. Once the playlist is created, it will appear for both of you, and you can start listening to it. After your blend has been created, you may see a cover with a taste match score and tags showing which tracks came from each person. Spotify will also show how your music preferences overlap. You can add the blend to your library, follow it like any other playlist, and return to it later. The playlist may also refresh over time as your listening changes. If your friend has not joined yet, the blend will not be created until they select Join from the invitation link. You can also repeat the same process to create separate blends with different friends. To do that, return to the Blend section, select the option to create a new blend, and click Create a Blend. Then select Invite, copy the new link, and send it to another friend. Once that person opens the link and selects Join, Spotify will generate a separate shared playlist based on both of your listening habits. And that's how you create a Spotify blend. Thank you for watching.